sir. Got that pack in, you feel me?
This ain't a game, that's how I live.
Everything we got custom one hats, shoes, boots,
I'm always chasing dreams instead of being trapped in the same place you was yesterday.
YouTube, what's good with y'all? So today I'm finna be rebuilding my wardrobe from scratch. I literally have no clothes in my closet. Like, I'm not even lying to y'all, bro. Let me show y'all. Like, this is all I have in my closet. This is all I have. Like, we rebuilding this wardrobe from scratch, bro. But I'm finna get ready to head to this pop-up shop. Y'all can see I did in fact cut the dreads. I got tired of the dreads. The dreads was just like, I don't know, they just had to go. I just had to cuddle. That don't mean I still can't get fly the same. That don't mean like I still can't dress the same. I feel like my dressing has improved since I cut off the dreads. Like the dreads was like kind of a kid way you could say of dressing, but now I feel like I dress like more older, more like, you know, I look better in certain clothing now. Certain clothing I look different in. But we finna get ready, we finna get dressed, and we finna get ready to head to this pop-up shop because I gotta be there at 2 o'clock. And y'all know how downtown Dallas is, y'all know how traffic is in the city. So I gotta hurry up and get ready because it's already like 12 o'clock and it's an hour away. Alright y'all, so this is currently the fit I went with. Don't mind the back noise, but we finna get ready to head out and head to this pop-up shop. So let's do it. It's already like 12:08, so I'm gonna be late. That's one thing about me, like, I don't be trying to be late, but I'm gonna be late this time. We finna get ready to head here. Let's do it. So, we are currently 13 minutes from the place, and bro, one thing about Texas, bro, you gonna have that traffic, bro. Like, bro, traffic is so crazy. Like, bro, hold on, let me show y'all. Like, bro, traffic is dumb. I'm just ready to get to the place. I don't know if I'm gonna be early because like it was a lot of people. Like when I seen the flyer thing, it was like a lot of people standing out there last time. So hopefully I ain't too deep in the line. I can get in there and get out quick. Give me some clothes, give me some bags, some book bags. I don't know. Just really see what they got, see what the brands got. And yeah, see what they working with. I just hope, like this whole way, I've been thinking like, please don't let me be in this line long. Like, please don't let me be all the way in the back. And I got here kind of early. It started at 2, but it said I'm gonna make it at 1:14. So hopefully I ain't in that line early. Like, I hope people ain't showing up there early. It might be a couple people, but I don't think it's gonna be that many people that like show up mad early. But I'm gonna pick back up the camera when I get there, and we are waiting in line or when I'm walking inside. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I done made it. Now I'm finna get ready. Wait in this line. It's like 150, bro. I don't know if it's people gonna be in this line or not. I don't even know which place it is, like where the place is. This was too bad. But y'all, I've been waiting in this line for so long. Like, this stuff is bad. Crazy. But I'm gonna pick back up the camera once I get in. Let me see what it's like, see what they got. Yeah. Alright, y'all. We finally got in this one. Y'all finally got in this one. Let me see what they work with. I'm gonna see what they got. I'm just really walking around trying to see real quick. What's y'all think?
Rocking with a hoodie.
I mean, this motherfucker. Like, I'm trying to see if I really want to copy though. I'm just saying, you see my shit? How much is it? 75?
This shit new though. I ain't even dropped it online yet. I'm gonna drop it here first, and I'm dropping it online next week for my SMS, and then the week after for like everybody else.
What's the name of the brand?
Sacred Heart. I got a Christian clothing brand on some shit.
Okay, I missed it.
Appreciate it. You do YouTube?
Yeah.
That's hard. What's your name?
Tokenxtdoor. I got like 6K on YouTube.
You tap in with us. You get on Instagram?
Yeah. I took a break from fashion, but I came back now.
You know what I'm saying? That's true.
Oh, my fault.
That's all good.
But no, I mess with it. I mess with it for sure. I don't know how that mother look on body though. That's the only thing. I'm talking about on my body though. I'm talking about my body though. Let me try it on.
Large, medium, and small.
How they run?
They ride. It's crop, so this is a medium underneath. So you might want to wear smaller medium or some shit. This is my shit. I don't know how many people they let in.
Oh, you tapped in my own boy. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even know you followed me. But I'm gonna try on small.
You got it.
This how the hoodie look. Y'all know I ain't got like right tire, but we for sure. We finna cop this. Hey, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and be your first sale, bro.
I got you. I appreciate you, fam. You said the small?
Yeah.
I got you. I'll get you over here in a second.
I bet. Nah, I cop this one for sure. We finna go ahead and cop this. So, I just bought this first little hoodie. I feel like it's gonna go good. Something I needed for real. Appreciate it. I told bro I was gonna check him out. Shoot. What's up, man?
Messing with the brand, huh?
I mess with it. I like this pink one.
Appreciate you, bro.
How much is it?
It go for 70.
70?
Yeah, 500 GSM, embroidery on the sleeve. Right here it say Proverbs 1:7. What that mean? The fear of the Lord is the start to wisdom. So fear God, not man. You feel me? You can feel easy right here. So good quality.
Yeah, inside feel for real. I mess with it. You want 70? I just paid 70.
You messing with it again?
I mess with it. Shoot though. I really came, caught some clothes, caught some pieces. I ain't come to cop too many, but I came to cop some. Then I'm gonna order some online too.
Yeah, like look, right here the website. It's up right now, cool, active. You feel me?
For sure.
Yeah.
Definitely gonna cop.
What's good with you, bro? Messing with the brand time?
Definitely gonna come back. I'm gonna get the black one. I'm gonna come back and get the black one online. We're gonna see. What's up? What's the name of the brand?
Genvi Apparel, bro.
Genvi Apparel.
You recording?
Yo.
Hey, what's up, man? This Genvi Apparel. We here at so much gear, bro. Look, let me show y'all, bro. So custom one-of-ones, bro. Everything. We got custom one-of-one hats, shoes, boots, belts.
I mess with this belt. How much for this belt?
I'm doing 75 today.
75 for the belt? Okay. What about the beanie?
The beanie's just going for 25.
Okay.
And then the hat's 50. All the shoes are originally 150, but I'm doing 100 to show love today.
Alright. I mess with these boots too. Oh no, you got some fun stuff. You do it yourself?
Bro, I do
like,
everything. Everything by hand. Them going for 115.
What size these ones is?
Them a 10. What size you wear?
I wear 8.5.
I'm pretty sure you might be able to fit those. And then those right there are 8.
Nah, I mess with her art. I mess with it for real.
What y'all looking for?
I don't know, y'all.
I got this one on here. It's
Hey, this on film? Yeah. How much that baitboard is? The hoop? The baitboard.
Oh, the board?
70?
Yeah. Board 70 is this one.
For sure.
Oh, 150.
Alright, y'all. I'm really looking for some sweats. I just need more sweats.
Yeah,
Bro,
Nah, what y'all think? I kind of mess with these a little bit.
Welcome to So Much Gear.
Let me see how much these
Biggest
shorts
streetwear
is.
pop-up in Dallas, Texas. Put in the hardest brand.
How much for the shorts? How much for the shorts?
The shorts I got the ball for 70.
70?
70, but you get a free shirt with it though.
Alright, let's do it.
Put in the hardest brand.
What size?
We're hosting.
Let's do a meat. Let's do a small.
In about 30 minutes.
Y'all, I gotta give me some more shorts.
The booth in the front right here. Come get your raffle tickets.
Let's do that one. Yeah. Size. Let's do medium.
I don't have a medium in this one, bro.
Alright, which one you got a medium in?
I got a medium in this one. This is my last medium. I got a medium in this one.
If you want a jollof plate, come to the kitchen. Lemonade on the side.
Trying to think. Yeah, let's do this one. Yeah. Alright, bet. We finna buy these shorts right here. He said I get a free shirt.
And the winner of the
I don't know if y'all can really hear me that good. I was talking to
getting these right here.
Hey, you got Instagram?
I do got Instagram.
Sure.
If I need a chain for 100 though, I'll for 100. Shit, you don't need it.
We got, I got sent this for free.
That hoodie tough though. That shit's smooth.
Y'all, my SD card finna run out, so I'm gonna switch to my phone. I'm gonna get back to y'all.
Can I get you holding it up?
Yeah.
going on, vlog? We out here today, man. So much gear. You feel me? Utopian garments in the building. That's all good.
Gotta get these plates though, bro. I
Which
need
one you fucking with more though? Cause they both, this is reversible. You feel me? So
Okay.
you got two pairs in one. You feel me? So like the green, these the same, and you know what I'm saying? These the same type shit.
Let me get that green. How much for the green?
So for the whole set, I got you 180. For just the pants, I got you 100. Or just the
Let's do the whole set.
I got you.
Do the whole set.
Which one you fucking with?
You like green? Let me get that. Let me get that.
What's ours, brother? It's a medium on me, top and bottom. Now I will say I had to tie this up a little bit for it to fit perfect.
Alright, let me get the small.
Alright, bet. So what, brother?
Let me get the small.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna grab that. For sure. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna take it around.
Alright, bet. Y'all, I gotta tap in and get all the stuff. Y'all, I needed some sweats. I needed some sweats so bad. Like y'all don't understand. These brands expensive though. Sure.
You said small, right, brother?
Yeah. Sure. How you take cash? We doing cash.
Oh yeah, bet. I'm gonna lock you some money.
Alright, bet. Y'all, I'm meeting so many people here, bro. I think I done talked from almost every brand. It's only like a couple. It's not that many brands here.
Sir, got that pack in, you feel me? Hey, we locked in. Shout out my dog, you feel me? We go reversible rain set, waterproof, you know what I'm saying? Y'all might get wet in the rain, but my brother straight. You know what I'm saying?
You get that much.
I gotta get your Instagram too, bro. You YouTube.
My whole wardrobe, right? So I came here and like all my clothes, I got a bunch of clothes. I came back to Dallas and I have no clothes in Dallas, so I'm starting from scratch. I needed it.
Hey man, hey, shout out my brother, man. I know he finna get fired.
For sure. Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you, bro. I'm gonna definitely hit you up.
Alright, bet. Yo, this third brand we gonna cut from. Y'all need to get some graphic tees.
Real solid street nigga is in my eyes, boy.
What's your brand name? What's your brand name?
Go back in on the brand, bro. Every piece.
This ain't a game, that's how I live. Trap ain't dead, I'm dead for real.
Got that double fuck you on.
Okay. How much for the shirt?
For your shirt. And when you get a shirt, you get a rolling tray, you get a button, and you get a wristband with the shirt.
Alright, bet. Let me check them out. I really like this one though.
I'm telling you.
Let me see it. Yo, what y'all
There's a
think?
mirror right there, dude.
Yo, can't help. I cashed out. I spent all this little cash I had in my pocket. Now we're gonna get ready. I finna get ready to go, cause I don't spend too much. Yeah. You said how many subscribers? I said let me subscribe. Oh, I didn't know what you said. I'm do cash. Alright, appreciate it. The name Tokenxtdoor. Y'all, bro. We finna get up out of here. I was spending too much. Sure. I was just gonna ask, what's the brand? For sure, bro. Hey, I appreciate y'all, bro. Alright, for sure. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna get up out of here now. We done cop, man. Go.
Alligator liver backpack. You got some bits for your hands. Everything.
It's also going to be around.
Backpacks go for 135, 125 for phone on the gram. We got jackets, they go for 75, actually 85, but 75 on the gram. Everybody fall on the gram, so I just made price. Alright. We got fits for your ladies, tracksuits, sweatsuits, everything. And then our one-on-one smoking backpack, the green alligator liver.
Which one y'all tracksuits?
Tracksuits for the ladies, those gonna be all the ones down here.
Alright, for sure. I'm looking at the bags. I'm restarting my whole wardrobe from scratch.
I'm getting on the same team I got on the vibe last year. I'm building my shit up right now.
Like, I left all my clothes with them. I came down here with no clothes, so I'm restarting the whole track.
You doing a little different. I had an ass wardrobe. I ain't know how to dress for it. I'm still on that adjust, but it's like shit now. I'm just trying to, find whatever makes me feel good in my face.
I feel that. Like, brands be sending me clothes and stuff, but I left all them in
I'm gonna get to that point like, it's like shit right now. I'm making music trying to find my crowd and shit. Once I get my folks trying to send me clothes and shit, I ain't gonna lie. I'm shooting music videos and this shit. Like, my brother been doing this shit for a hot ass minute. I'm good at this shit now.
What's the name of it?
Dream Chasers AP. I'm always chasing dreams instead of being trapped in the same place as you was yesterday. That's our main motto. We always want to be different, be better than us yesterday. Because if you're not, you're stuck in a stalemate. You're dormant. You're not moving. You're not progressing. You ain't growing. So what you doing it for?
Okay, so many clothes. We finna get ready to head to the car. I ran out of storage on my camera, so I had to switch to the phone. But y'all, I tapped in with some brands and stuff. Definitely got a cop bag. It was the last dude I was talking to. He had a bag. It was called Dream Chaser. I ain't gonna lie, the bag was kind of hard. Now I got me some sweats. I definitely need the sweats. But y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. I tapped in. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, comment. And y'all mess with any of the brands. I ain't gonna lie, I think he can't even talk, bro. Like, my mind was just going on. I didn't think I was gonna spend that much money. But a nigga done spent some money on some brands. Definitely tap in with some people. My wardrobe is pretty much restarted, so yeah. Now if y'all see me, like my shorts. Yeah. But y'all make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe, comment.